Daily English expressions are phrases or idioms that people use regularly in casual and formal conversations. These expressions often convey meanings beyond their literal words, helping speakers communicate effectively and more naturally. For example, saying "break the ice" doesn't refer to actual ice but means to initiate a conversation or ease tension in a social situation. Learning these expressions is essential for non-native speakers to sound more fluent and comfortable in everyday interactions. One of the most common types of daily expressions is idioms. Idioms like "under the weather," "feeling ill," "a piece of cake," "something very easy," and "spill the beans," "reveal a secret," are used often in conversations. Understanding idiomatic expressions can make a huge difference in how well someone can follow a conversation, especially because they often don't translate well word for word into other languages. Phrasal verbs are another key component of daily English expressions. Phrases such as "give up," to stop trying, "look after," to care for, and "run into," to meet unexpectedly, are examples. Mastering these can make learners sound more natural because they occur frequently. In both spoken and written English, they are especially helpful in informal or conversational settings. Lastly, incorporating these daily expressions into speech can improve a learner's confidence and comprehension. By practicing regularly, learners can better understand native speakers, participate more in conversations, and even add color and variety to their own speaking style. These expressions not only make communication smoother, but also help to express emotions and attitudes more effectively. Don't forget to subscribe English Planet and press bell icon for more English latest videos.